Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change colors in NinjaTrader. Start by opening a chart. Move your mouse over the chart area and right-click. From the menu, select Properties. This opens the settings window where you can control how your chart looks. Inside this window, look for the section that controls backgrounds. Here you can change the chart background color, the grid lines, and the text color. Click on each color box to open the color selector, then choose the color you prefer. This helps you create a clean and comfortable viewing experience. Next, we will change the candle colors. Still inside the Properties window, find the Data Series section. If you do not see it, you can also access it by right-clicking the chart and selecting Data Series. In this section, you can change the candle outline, the fill color, and the wick color. Adjust these settings to clearly show bullish and bearish candles. Now let's change indicator colors. Right-click on the chart again and select Indicators. A list of all applied indicators will appear. Choose the indicator you want to edit. Then expand the plot section by clicking the small arrow. This will show individual color options. You can now adjust each line or plot to your preferred color. Finally, to change the platform theme, go to the Control Center. Click on Tools, then select Settings. In the General section, find the Skin drop-down. Choose a light or dark theme. After selecting, restart NinjaTrader to apply the changes. Thanks for watching.